Hello everyone, I am Rahul Gupta, the course instructor for mathematics course for data science 1. Today we are going to discuss why are we discussing the general equation. We have four forms of equation for line. So why do we need this another form, or we can say general equation form of the line? Earlier we saw that there are thousands of line can pass through from a point. Okay, so this, let me take this point P, some x comma y, and I can pass thousands of line from this point. So there is no uniqueness in this line. Which line should I take, this one or this one or this one? For that purpose, we somehow decided that if we have slope of a line, which we usually use m word for in mathematics, if we decide slope, for example, if I take slope some 45 degrees, then tan 45 will be 1. So the slope of line is 1, so it will pass at this slope. Okay, but again we don't have any uniqueness, so we somehow came up with another idea that we should have some intercept where we can discuss that this is the unique line and this pass through these all the points. Okay, there are thousands or infinite points where this line can pass. So this is our intercept. Okay, after that we came up with another ideas like if I have 2 points, what will I do? How will I find my slope intercept form, or how will I find the line? Then we came up with another thing called 2-point form. And rather than 2-point form, we also came up another idea. If we have 1 point and we have slope in which this line is passing, so how can I uniquely define this line? So we came up with another concept, and another form of line is y minus y1 is equal to m and x minus x1, which is the point slope form. The next thing was that if we don't have anything like point, slope and 2-point form, so what can we do? So we came up another form which is called intercept form. If we have this x intercept and y intercept, so there are actually 4 forms which we have to remember here, and we can find anything with any form. But here the question is, can we have something unique which is only one, and we can find everything whatever we want with this line, all the information, all the requirement like points satisfying the line or not, where 2 points, where 2 lines are intersecting, what is the slope of the line? Do we have any such form? So another form was created, and it is called the general form of the line, general equation of the line actually. So this way we can summarize all 4 forms together, which is y equal to mx plus c is intercept and slope form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, 2-point form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, slope intercept point slope form, and finally x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 intercept form, and the last form is, when we summarize all, we can actually come up with an idea as ax plus by is plus c is equal to 0, and this is a general form. Now if I discuss the importance of general form basically here, so let's come up with some question where we can actually see the importance of the general equation. Okay, suppose I have given two lines, y equal to 3x plus 4 and x by 3 plus y by 1 equal to 1. So these are the two forms, two lines. I have to find, first thing I want to know the slope of these lines. So as we can clearly see that for this line slope is 3. Can I come up directly with this, that what is the slope as we did here? No, I have to convert this in the slope intercept form again. Okay, now I want to know what is the intercept form, intercept of these lines. So by this way I can come up that x intercept is 1, y intercept 3, sorry, x intercept is 3 and y intercept is 1. Can I come up with the same thing, same procedure with this line? No, I have to again convert this with intercept form. It will be y minus 3x is equal to 4, then y by 4 minus 3x by 4 equal to 1, again y by 4 plus x by minus 4 by 3 equal to 1. So 4 and minus 4 by 3 are the intercepts. So I have to convert in this form. Okay, what can I do? Here we need to remember 4 forms actually. If I just give one line equation with general equation, like 2x plus 3y is equal, minus 1 is equal to 0. If I ask for the slope, can I calculate? Obviously I can calculate that. We know minus a by b is the slope of the line. So I directly will come up with what is a, actually 2, and what is b, actually 3. So this is minus 2 by 3 is the slope. Do I need to convert this form in any form? No, obviously not. What if I ask what is the x and y intercept for this? I will say put 0 here for y, put y is equal to 0, you will get x intercept. So 2x plus 0 minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 by 2. So here x intercept is 1 by 2 comma 0. Similarly I can do for y intercept. Again, what other benefits of the line, general form of the line is finding the intersection points. Finding the intersection points. As I discussed here, that if I say, can I calculate the point of intersection of these two lines? Yes, I can calculate, but I have to at least convert these two forms in any one form. Either I can convert, I will have to convert this slope intercept form in intercept form only, or I will have to convert this intercept form in slope intercept form. Okay, so somehow I will have to come up with a similarity. If this case is with general equation form, we have two general equation form, two lines in general equation form, 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so what can I do? Do I need to convert in these equations in another form? No, I do not have. I can directly calculate by y. How? But I'll just make the coefficient of either x or y similar. So we can go with y coordinate, y coefficients. So if I multiply by 2 here and multiply by 3 here, I will get 4x plus 6y plus 2 equal to 0, and 9x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0, and if I just add those, these will cancel off, and 13x plus 8 is equal to 0, and x will be minus 8 by 13. Similarly, I can put x value in any equation and I will get y value. So one more benefit of general equation is here. We came up with an idea that a symmetrical object, which is line, we actually discussed in mathematical form. We came up with 4 forms and merged them, and we got one form which is called general equation form. So the point here is, if we know the general equation of any line, we can calculate very easily any information about the line. The same procedure will be applied for every line. There is you don't have to go with another form. Basically, the most useful thing, or I can say the another useful of the lines are, how will I find the distance between a point and a line? A point and a line, how will I find that? Okay, so in any form it is very difficult to find, and if we come up with idea ax plus by plus 1 equal to 0, sorry, plus c equal to 0, then we just need to know what is the coordinate of this point x1 comma y1, and I'll just put here, I'll just put the values of points in this equation with distance formula like this: a x1 plus b y1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square, and this should be in mod. Okay. If we come up with this idea, can we do these things with the other forms? It's very difficult. It's very difficult that we will have to come up again, we will have to convert them in general equation and then calculate this distance or distance between two lines. This can also be done very easily if I have two lines, one 5x plus 10y plus 9 is equal to 0, and other line 3x plus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. We have two lines, and I have to calculate the intercept form of both, calculate the distance between two lines. I discussed that I have to keep this coefficients same, this and this. Okay, so what can I do? I'll just first I'll check these are parallel or not. So slope of this line will be minus a by b, which is minus 5 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly for this, minus 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so slope are same, and by this way both lines are parallel. Now I can calculate the distance. What will I have to do only? I'll just take these lines and make some these lines and make coefficients same. So first line is 5x plus 10y plus 9 equal to 0, 3x plus 6y plus 2 equal to 0, and I'll just multiply with 3 here and multiply with 5 here. So I'll get 15x first line plus 30y plus 27 is equal to 0, then 15x plus 30y and plus 10 equal to 0. Now I can calculate directly the slope in the distance between two lines. So d will be c1 mod में, in mod c1 27 minus c2 10 divided by under root a square is 15 square plus 30 square. So it will be 17 divided by under root 15 square plus 30 square. So this will be very easy when we use the general equation form here. So this all is about why do we need general equation, and we can see the applications and the benefits of general equation over the four forms of the line. Thank you.